Oh, it looks like we might have a new mail truck arriving into Louisville. How interesting is that thing? Kind of looks like an LLV. Kind of looks like an ice cream truck. Alright, so coming into Louisville, Kentucky is the new version of the LLV. There it is right there. What do y'all think about that? That's the new design. Basically it looks just like a bigger version of the LLV to me. Looks like it's got some post office advertising on the side. It's got 4 wheels in the back. It's got the duality action for snow and wetness and all that. So it looks like they thought about that. Look at the wheels on that thing. I mean, that's like an actual duality truck. Huh. Just so happens I found this on the side of the road. Or not on the side of the road, but just so happens I found this driving down the road. How cool is that? So this looks like it's left-hand drive, and it looks a little bit bigger. I mean, you can see how wide it is, I guess, by how wide the trailer is on the semi. But I guess Louisville's finally going to get something cool. We're supposed to be one of the test sites. Oh, well, they still got the exhaust pipe on the driver's side of the truck, which you can see, right, you get a light. You can see, maybe, I don't know. Anyway, all right, well, that's all I got, but yeah, that's the new mail truck. Has it got air conditioning on the top? Show.